Hi everybody, welcome back to Adventures with Edna. I'm Chance.
I'm Chris.
And today we're at the Peach Rail Tavern and Hatchet House.
Yeah, that's right. In Inman, South Carolina. We're here for the 50s and 60s car show that they're putting on today. Edna just made it, apparently. We've actually been here for over an hour. We've talked to a good bit of people. So the sun's kind of gone down a little bit. We were sweating to death when we first got here because it is like 90-some degrees out here, and it rained right before we got here.
So that means it's warmed up.
Yeah.
Because rain's hot in the water.
Yeah, it's hot. We met a guy with a drone who's flying around out here. That's pretty cool. His name was Alex, so it was good to meet him. He's out here filming the event as well. I don't know how well you can hear the music or not, but there's a live band here called the Sparkle City Rockettes. It's kind of a rockabilly theme here, so we're going to wander around, check out some cars, and have a good time. There's a food truck here. I don't remember the name of it offhand, but I will say it as soon as I see the name of it. So let's go check out some cars.
We're starting with the Buick.
Buick Skylark.
Dad, look, the interior's white.
Yeah, it's nice.
Ugh.
That's kind of different right there with the paint on the mirror. Haven't seen that before.
I wonder who did that.
Oh, the shifter's cool.
What is it?
It's beer tap.
Oh.
See, they got side vents.
Weird.
It's kind of funny. These are actually like the style wheels and hubcaps that are supposed to be on Edna, just wider. And what's funny is those wheels are what's supposed to be on this.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't do that. It was like that when I bought it. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. I was just telling him that we got to swap wheels because you have my style and I have your style.
Yeah. Well, these were on it when I got it.
Yeah, these were on it when I got it. These just like the later style, but you got the early style.
Okay, let's look at the best show.
Everybody's favorite.
Yep, everybody's favorite best show.
Yeah.
Ants. Hopefully they don't try to get an Edna.
Like they did that last time in the short. The W car right here.
That's what Chance wanted for his first car, blue Camaro.
Not anymore. But I still would get one. I think I like Ford's better though.
Oh, look at this interior, Chance.
Candy cane.
Yeah, that's definitely some candy cane. circus stuff.
But it's not the same one, because remember the guy that had the candy cane car? His steering wheel was also candy cane.
Got the Cadillac kit on the back.
Ooh, look at that wheel! Sheesh!
Got the 4-door Mini.
Looks like this is like the newer version of a Beetle or something.
What's a new version of the Coopers? Like the one that we were standing next to in the other video.
Look. What's that, England?
Yeah.
I like the color of this. Baby blue, I think. Dad, you're like us. White wheels.
Gotta represent.
That's how you know you're trying. Prove to us.
Vince hiding around here somewhere? Vince hiding around here somewhere?
Yeah, I don't know which word. I don't even know which.
I think you walk towards the bar.
Look at that color jug.
And if I didn't know that for a fact, it would be an educated guess, and I know it's going to be pretty close.
This thing's for sale, Dad.
Yeah, looks cool, doesn't it?
How much?
T-tops.
1971.
Color on it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. It's like a slick looking red. See, I can imagine this thing fast.
Smoking. I like that style there. See how it's got the chrome bumpers? I like that.
Yeah.
It's got them in the front too.
I think I mostly like the color. Wait, Dad, is that the gas?
Yeah,
Why is it up there?
it's a Corvette thing.
They all like that? Even the
Y'all wouldn't understand.
Why?
Studebaker.
Dad, look, V8.
We saw this Valiant at, what was it, the Flock Shop.
We did?
Yeah, Flock Shop car show.
I don't remember. Like, I remember the car show, but I don't remember seeing the car.
That was the last time you saw the candy cane car.
Man, I wish I could see that car again. You know that one was like my favorite. But
So something I noticed in some of these videos, especially when we're at car shows, is I don't hear everything Chance says, but it picks up on the microphone. So if I'll go back in editing and he'll have said something or asked something and it just looks like I just ignored him. But I legit didn't hear him. See how this Corvette's a little bit newer?
yeah, Corvette thing. I think that's weird.
Is that Kylo Ren?
Where?
I don't know who that is actually.
Where are you looking?
On the air cleaner. I thought it was Kylo Ren, but it's somebody else.
I don't know where you see it in the character.
Chances.
Where are you looking?
Look at this. I want to see. Let me back out a little bit so you can see where Chance is standing.
Oh,
and where
that
Kylo
thing.
Ren is.
I don't think that's Kylo Ren, Dad. That's like a bucket hat. Like of metal, though. That's cool, though. He made it where the thing matches. Is the gas cap still on the top?
No, these.
Whoa, I want that shirt, Dad.
Hub City Corvette Club.
How do I get it?
See, gas tank's on the side now.
Look, it's an American flag.
Grumpy Paw Garage.
I remember this one.
Yeah, he's at every car show we go to.
Just like us.
Had a good conversation with him earlier.
Hey, Dad, can I get my picture of this wall?
Yeah.
Well, it actually is a right rail.
Hence, what's his picture with the wall? Razorbacks BBQ. That's who's here.
Ready?
You go take a picture of Tavern.
Throw your arms out. It's not wanting to focus.
Look at this green.
Fury. Plymouth Fury.
That is a green, Dad. That's how you know green is a green. The Aquaman tried it. This car's cool. This thing looks like it's been cleaned.
The seats are silver.
Yeah, that's cool.
2 white BMWs and the black Jeep. Move them.
Sick 'em.
I need the black Jeep out of here because everybody wants to park next to it, and I don't know who owns it. George Ward's about to escape.
Look where the rear view mirror is, Chance. It's on the dash instead of on the windshield.
Why?
See it? I don't know. Cool, huh?
Something I've never seen, so yeah.
AAA. The irony. Flathead V8. I don't know what version this is, but this is an earlier one than Edna.
Ew.
See how it's got the water pumps on the front of the heads instead of down here? So
Where's the water pumps?
This is what's pumping the water through here.
What does the water do to like a car? Like what helps?
Keeps it cool. Keeps the engine cool.
Like for air conditioning basically, and not for like the car to catch on fire?
No. It's basically to keep the engine from overheating, but it doesn't have anything to do with air
What
conditioning.
could happen if their thing overheats too much, blows up or something?
Yeah, basically.
That's why we need water.
That's why we did that electric fan upgrade. See, he did the same thing.
Yeah. Have we gotten this?
Hmm?
Have we gotten that? Because I've seen a whole bunch of cars have them. Have you?
Yeah, I think there's one in Edna.
V8.
Got that banjo rear end.
Look what this is made out of. It's like you could sit on it.
It's a T-bucket like the one Daniel has. Daniel's got a yellow one. You remember the video of me riding in it?
No.
You want to get scared and have him take you for a ride?
Why would it be scary?
I don't know. I was scared.
Why?
And I just was.
What do you think was going to happen? You're going to fall
I don't
out?
know.
Is it fast?
Yeah.
I think
It's like being in a cycle cart that's really fast.
I think I'd rather go for a ride inside of his Beetle.
Nasty habits.
Okay, enough of the newer cars. Let's go back to the older cars.
We're coming back up to him. See?
Mustang. What is this?
Monte Carlo, I think.
This what Grandma had?
Yeah, but I don't remember what year hers was.
Dad, look, it's not black.
It's not black?
No, it don't.
What color is it?
Like a reddish brown.
It's not.
502.
I like to get 10 miles a gallon.
Now,
So I can justify it. So I drive my motorcycle 7, 6 days a week.
Dad, that dog is cute.
But you still don't want to.
Newer cars have showed up, Dad.
What's that? A few more
Ooh,
cars
look
have
at
shown up?
this. Blue. Dad, you see the blue or not really?
Yeah, I can tell.
It's a dark blue.
Ram Charger.
I'm about to sneeze.
I rode in one of these once.
Look, Dad, Jack in the Box. Look, Dad, it's a bull. Or no, it's a ram.
It's a Ram.
Ram Charger. 150.
In Murder Mystery in the Heat Nightfall, I wanted to kill him.
Look at the speakers in the back of that.
He's
He'd be bumping.
It's one of the loud cars.
Escalade.
We'll be talking about Roblox Inman too.
exactly what I'm trying to do. Look, there's a lot of really.
F100.
V8.
Actual Snake Dog just got one of these.
Cool. What color is actual Snake Dogs?
His is blue. Blue and white.
Like what type of blue though?
Like a baby blue, light blue color.
It is.
See how they changed the tailgate in the later years to have the Ford letters instead of the Ford script?
What do you mean?
Like, you know, ours is like written in cursive.
Yeah? Why'd they change it to like spaced out very far?
They just changed stuff over the years.
I think the cursive's cooler. I don't like the white.
I don't like the white.
No. Did we see
I don't
that?
think that car was there when we started. Or that one.
These three cars weren't there. We started off with this blue one.
Paddock wagon.
They be low riding. So is this one like bent down, or is that just with the way they parked?
I think it's just the way it's sitting. Ex-cop car. Look at the wheels on this one.
Yeah. Wait, Dad, I don't think it was red originally.
You don't think so?
Blue. Buick Chevrolet Seneca. That's all I read. All I could read.
Cup holder's pretty cool looking.
Correct my sentence.
It had one thing, but it was
that's the problem when you don't understand what he's saying. You never see English.
Another Fury.
Yeah.
No, not that.
I have a car.
So hot out here. So thirsty.
Dad,
Yeah.
what type of
Plymouth Fury. See, it's written on the back.
cool?
It's the same thing as that green one, except it's a different year. The wild green car?
The one that I was like, that's green.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you want to go? We need to get something to drink because it's hot.
So hot.
And it's nighttime and it's hot.
Yeah, I saw it today.
Jed's just chilling. You got good thumbnail stuff? It just occurred to me that I haven't taken a single picture. We haven't got to see Hellda at night yet. I didn't know that she did this.
I found the sticker, our sticker, but it's on that side of the car.
Here's a song that's been recorded by many people in slightly different versions. Or even hear a completely different version. Midnight, won't go down without sleeping. Watching till that corner comes creeping. Green door, what's that secret you're keeping? There's an old piano and a playing behind the green door.
Where's the shifter? Where's the shifter? Is it manual?
No, it's on the collar.
Let me in so I can find out what's behind the green door.
I showed you, but you weren't even looking. You were staring up at the sky.
No, look at that.
Hospitality's been there. Wondering just what's going on in there. I saw an eyeball peeking through a smoky cloud behind the green door. Behind the green door. Don't know what they're doing, but they laugh out loud behind the green door. Behind the green door. Oh, I wanted to be showing the happy crowd behind the green door. Rain on me. Here we go. Tell me you'll never be lonely. Tell me you love me only and rave on me. Crazy feeling, I know you got me reeling. I'm so glad, thank you, sir. You're revealing your love for me. Rave on, and tell me you'll never be lonely. And tell me you love me only, and rave on me. Well, the little things you say and do will make me want to be with you. Rave on, it's a crazy feeling. I know you got me reeling. I'm so glad I love you. Rave on me. from the dead, Mr. Rocco Eddie Sword Dawson.
Ooh, man, he'll get you if you ain't careful. Thank you, thank you.
You got your game on?
People inside.
Like a fox. New Orleans, way up in the wood behind the Everglades, stood a log cabin made of wood. Well, it's a country boy named Johnny be good. Never really learned to read or write so well, but he could play the guitar just like a ringing a bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go, go. That's how they do it where I come from.
We're basically tailgating now. Really close, whatever this is.
I had to get close for the thing.
Can't see nothing. Got dark out here fast. Well, considering we've lost all the light, I think that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for the invite from Paul and Tim both. Paul was the lead singer of the Sparkle City Rockettes. He was in the red polo shirt. And Tim drives Hellda, who I don't think needs any introduction, especially if you're from Inman, South Carolina. What was your favorite car?
Hellda and Edna.
Hellda and Edna?
They kind of rhyme.
Anyway, we're going to get out of here. We're kind of having to fake the funk on this outro because we don't have any lighting out here, so we're using camera phone and camera phone to make this happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Remember, adventures are everywhere. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.